Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, then you want to know how do you get crayon off of a wall. And if you have kids, you know this is going to happen at some point in your life. And so this is a great thing just to go ahead and learn how to do right now. One easy way that we found that you can take crayon off a wall is just to use this thing called a magic eraser. You might have heard of these before or seen them. They come in boxes similar to this. You can pick them up at most stores. I'll leave a link for it down in the description as well to help you out. But all you do is get it a little damp, and then you're just going to start wiping it off. You can kind of tell that I've already started a little bit just to check it out. If you are worried about it messing up your wall color or anything like that, you can try it somewhere that you can't really see as well just to see, or if you want to try just a little part or a little piece of it just to see before you do it, that's fine as well, just to check and make sure it's not going to stain or do any of that thing to your wall. What I'm going to do is go ahead and get it started for you guys. As you can tell, you got a little bit damp on here, and then you just start scrubbing a little bit, and it should come right off. Sometimes you get a little bit of water on there. You can kind of wipe that up. I got an extra rag just to kind of wipe up the excess water, but it comes off pretty easy. As you can tell, not too bad. And then you can just kind of scrub off the rest of the stuff, and it should come right off as well. So hopefully this helped you guys not have to worry too much about getting this stuff off. Hopefully, again, a magic eraser will just kind of knock it out for you guys. But if this video was helpful for you guys, I'd love for y'all to like and even subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and I'd love to help you out with that as well. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.